Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Sway Cog First Move. Now, knowing how to do a Sway Cog, really important, and you need to be really quite comfortable with the Sway Cog to be able to move on to one of these, and obviously knowing a first move would be helpful as well. Links to those two in the description below, so if you want to go back and look at them, it's going to be easy and quick for you to find them. So we're going to jump straight in. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Now this is unusual because this is quite a big ask for the guys and is relatively easy for the ladies. So that doesn't happen that way around very often. Let's break it down. It starts just like a normal sway. In fact, it starts like a standard Sway Cog. We send the lady back, we go forwards. Now in a Sway Cog, we'd send the lady away, we'd switch hands behind our back and we'd stop facing the lady. The difference is we have to do that, but we also have to chase the lady so we can step towards the lady, trying to pick up the lady's shoulder blade, turning left as well. We twist the lady out so we get to this first move position and then we finish off with a standard first move exit. So if we think about that with some numbers, that means we go right to right, we go back, 1, wrap into the sway, 2, we sway back 3, we sway forwards 4, and this is the bit that's going to really push you. We've got to get round, switch hands, chase the lady and into the twist out, 5. So that's quite a lot. In 6, turning 7, facing 8, returning 1 and back 2. Practice it slow, loads of repetition, and then try and speed it up. Okay, assuming you've done a bit of practice, then we're going to try it to a count. Okay, I'll call it fairly slow, so it's not going to be too punishing. So here we go. 5, 6, Sway Cog, first move. We go a back, wrap, sway, away, and twist. In, under and face, return and back. And as a guy, if it feels like you're jumping into the twist out, you're probably doing it right. Okay, hope you enjoy that. Hope you find it fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell means you'll get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, windows in the last few seconds, something that would be nice to practice this to. And yes, it will be a slow tune. Okay, as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.